Hello! In this video we are going to show how easy it is to upgrade KubeVirt when a new version is released. In this case, we're using KubeVirt version 0.23.1. Now, the KubeVirt custom resource can be installed, and we also may wait for the pods to get ready. In this example, virtualization is being used to run the nodes of Kubernetes. The patch for software emulation has to be enabled. So, now the virtual machine can be created. A cirros image is being used in this example. Once the virtual machine is created, it can be started with the command virtctl. First, the phase is shown as scheduled, and after getting bootstrap, the phase will show as running. To demonstrate that the virtual machine does not suffer when upgrading KubeVirt, we'll run a tab command inside the virtual machine while upgrading the KubeVirt software. The version to upgrade is the following one after the 23.1, in this case the 24.0. While the operator is being upgraded, some of the KubeVirt pods will be redeployed. Now, we can check the version of the operator. As we saw, through the upgrade process, the virtual machine didn't even realize that KubeVirt was being upgraded, clear and safe. Thank you for watching this video.